Are your hair extensions starting to look dry, dull, or lifeless? Here are 7 ways to bring back the shine and save your strands. Tip number 1. Clarify gently. First, let's get rid of any buildup. Extensions can accumulate product, dust, and oils, which dulls their appearance. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to clean them gently without stripping moisture. Tip number 2. Deep condition regularly. Just like natural hair, extensions need hydration. Soak them in lukewarm water with your favorite deep conditioner once a week. Let it sit for 20-30 minutes to restore softness and bounce. Tip number 3. Add lightweight oils. To seal in moisture and add that natural shine, apply a small amount of lightweight oil like argan or jojoba. Focus on the ends, and avoid the roots if it's a sew-in or quick weave. Tip number 4. Protect from heat. Heat tools are one of the fastest ways to dull your extensions. Before straightening or curling, spray a heat protectant evenly to shield the strands from damage. Tip number 5. Let it air dry. Whenever possible, skip the blow dryer and let your extensions air dry. Less heat equals longer-lasting luster. Tip number 6. Store smart friction causes frizz and dullness. Store your extensions in a silk or satin bag, and if you wear them overnight, sleep on a silk pillowcase. Tip number 7. Trim split ends. Frayed ends reflect less light and make your extensions look old. A small trim every few weeks keeps them looking fresh, smooth, and more natural. By adding just a few extra steps to your care routine, you can completely transform dry, dull extensions into silky, salon-level strands. Clean, hydrate, protect, and treat them right, and they'll stay beautiful much longer. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more real hair care tips that actually work. Comment below if you've tried any of these methods, or if you've got a go-to shine secret I should try.